Hi guys, thanks to near 8,000 people who've already subscribed to the YouTube channel. I really appreciate it. I'll be posting over the next few weeks from multiple resorts across Europe. I know it seems like next season is a while away, but I hope you enjoy this run from the top of the St Anton lift system down into the village. The run starts at 2,650 metres and ends around 1,300 metres in St Anton. It's actually a few different runs linked together that make up the descent. I know you can go higher in the resort, but you need a guide if you want to take up your ski gear, and I was on my own on this trip. This is a run I did from a ski tour earlier on in the year. I was in St Anton for the White Ring Race, which is a 22km long race that takes in some of the most scenic parts of the resort. Races are let go every 100 seconds, and the event gets over 1,000 races each year. There's a big party around the whole event, but unfortunately this year the event was cancelled due to poor weather. This descent also takes in some of the course of the White Thrill Race. If you haven't heard of it, definitely give it a Google. It's one of the craziest races in Europe, with over 555 racers, all starting simultaneously, trying to make their way from the Beluga Ridge all the way down to the bottom of the Gausigbahn in St Anton. This is one of my favourite ski resorts in the world. It has a huge ski area with 305 kilometres of marked runs and 200 kilometres off-piste. The ski area is extensive, but it's also got some beautiful ski villages, all with a reason to stop and have a look around. It's also got some of the most famous apéro bars in the Alps, like Taps, Crazy Kangaroo and the Moose Bar, and some of the most amazing mountain restaurants like Hospice Alm and Hotel Montana. The village is pretty big, with loads of great ski shops. There's also loads of great restaurants in the village, like the museum, which was used in the film Chalet Girl. In a nutshell, you should definitely visit the area. I've spent quite a lot of time in the resort, so if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. I get a load of questions about camera equipment. This was filmed on two GoPro Hero 7 Blacks in 4K at 60 frames a second. I have one mounted on my head and one on my ski boot. Stay safe, and I hope you get the chance to visit St Anton next year.